Hey guys, Scott at Miller Marine. We got this Hells Bay Marquesas in that had a few upgrades. Customer just bought it. We went ahead and put a new trolling motor on for them and installed the new Powerpux. It's a really cool product that we're offering here now. It's an all-in-one puck. All the wires are internal. It's a puck that stays on the boat. If you remove the trolling motor, you pull this out, slide the trolling motor back, and then all the puck and the plug is all in the mount itself. It's really cool. So we did that. Trolling motors in. We installed 2 batteries in here for a 24-volt system. They're 34 series batteries, AGMs, and they're able to mount into a 31 battery tray. It's a really clean setup. Did a 2-bank onboard battery charger, so he just plugs it in when he's done for the day, and it's charging. So we got that there. We installed his Simrad 9-inch Evo 3. On this Marquesas, we also installed his Simrad. Installed a transducer, a 3-in-1 active imaging that does side, structure, and traditional transducer. Also was able to incorporate the engine's gauges into it as well by using the Simrad engine interface for Yamaha, and then installed a NEMA 2000 system. So he's able to have all his data from his motor on his GPS to check his engine hour. We also installed a new 12-volt outlet and a USB outlet over there by the wheel so he could charge his phone and everything. And then last, we installed his transducer here. Brand new active imaging transducer, the side scan, structure scan, and all that are on there. So he's good to go.